I've got some mind-blowing insights that could change the way you view PiCoin forever. You might have heard of it, but did you know it has the potential to become a trillion-dollar crypto beast? I'm talking about a coin that's gearing up to dominate the entire market, and I believe PiCoin could be one of the biggest winners of this next bull run. Now, before we dive deep, a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal thoughts and why I'm so incredibly bullish on PiCoin's future. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Stick around to understand why I believe PiCoin is on the verge of hitting massive growth. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the hottest crypto trends. Okay, so first let's talk about the present. PiCoin is currently sitting at just around $1.42 per coin. And it's down from its all-time high of $3. A lot of people are getting cold feet, questioning whether the project can recover or if it was all just hype. The price drop has certainly caused some concern among holders, especially those who bought in at higher levels. However, here's the kicker. PiCoin just launched its mainnet in one of the most chaotic market environments we've seen in years. With global markets experiencing turbulence, ranging from inflation and regulatory scrutiny to fluctuating cryptocurrency values, launching a mainnet in this climate is no small feat. Many projects might have faltered or struggled to make an impact under these conditions, but PiCoin has still pushed forward. The fact that the mainnet is live amidst such challenges signals a level of resilience and commitment from the PiCoin team. It's important to remember that the timing of the launch is critical. The crypto market is notorious for its volatility, and this could very well be a temporary dip. As we've seen in the past with other cryptocurrencies, the road to recovery often involves periods of instability before stabilization and growth. So, while the price is down from its peak, there's still potential for recovery, especially once the market stabilizes and the mainnet proves itself to be a game changer in the long run. Investors and users need to keep an eye on upcoming updates and use cases for the coin to see where the true value lies. We've had global tensions, recession fears, and even inflationary scares with the Federal Reserve tightening things up. It's been a rough ride for crypto, right? We've seen the market fluctuate wildly, with many assets plunging due to macroeconomic pressures, regulatory uncertainty, and investor fear. Cryptocurrencies have taken a hit across the board as people scramble to adjust to changing economic conditions. Amidst these stormy waters, many projects have either failed to make any significant progress or have lost a lot of value, and some have even been completely wiped out. But guess what? PiCoin has already weathered this storm and is still sitting strong with a $10 billion market cap. That alone is a big win. Despite the broader market conditions, PiCoin has managed to maintain a solid position, demonstrating that there's real strength and trust behind the project. A $10 billion market cap places PiCoin in a league with some of the most established players in the crypto space, which is a huge indicator of resilience. It's also a testament to the strong community and the trust that investors have placed in PiCoin's future. While a $1.42 price point might seem like a far cry from its all-time high, the fact that PiCoin is still holding a significant market cap in a market environment where many other assets are struggling to stay afloat shows that there's confidence in its long-term potential. The project has weathered macroeconomic challenges better than expected, which could position it for growth once the market stabilizes and PiCoin continues to develop its ecosystem. For investors, this is something worth considering. PiCoin has shown that it can endure the storm, and that might mean it's set up for success when conditions improve. Here's why PiCoin is about to make waves. It has a dedicated community that's been grinding for years. For the last 6 years, PiCoin has been growing its base without even being listed on major exchanges. Imagine what's going to happen when it does finally get listed on places like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. The power of a dedicated and engaged community cannot be overstated. PiCoin has built a strong, global following during a period when many other projects struggled to gain traction. The fact that it has developed such a robust user base without being listed on the major exchanges shows just how passionate and committed its supporters are. They've been actively mining, staking, and spreading the word about PiCoin, creating a foundation of trust and loyalty that will be crucial as the coin gains more visibility. Now, Think about this. PiCoin hasn't even had the chance to be fully integrated into the larger crypto ecosystem yet. Its community has been growing organically, without access to the massive liquidity and exposure that major exchanges offer. Once PiCoin is listed on major platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, it will gain instant access to millions of potential investors and traders. These exchanges are some of the most well-known in the industry, with vast user bases and advanced trading features. Listing on them would bring PiCoin into the spotlight in a big way, potentially driving up its value and market activity. But it's not just about access to more traders. The listing on these major exchanges also means PiCoin will be able to attract institutional investors and large-scale traders who are typically hesitant to invest in projects that aren't yet accessible on such platforms. The increased liquidity, credibility, and visibility will open up new opportunities for growth, partnerships, and adoption. With its strong community already in place, PiCoin is poised to make a serious impact once it taps into the vast resources and reach that these exchanges provide. In short, the future is bright for PiCoin. The momentum it has gained over the years, combined with its upcoming listing on top exchanges, is a recipe for explosive growth. If the community's commitment is any indication, PiCoin is about to go mainstream, and its best days could be ahead of it. The groundwork is already laid, it's just waiting for that big moment when the floodgates open. And you want to know something crazy? It's already been in the top 15 cryptos by market cap without even reaching the full potential of its mainnet launch. This coin is just getting started, and we're about to see an altcoin rally like we've never seen before. Let's talk about the PiCoin community. This is where it gets really exciting. The Pi network is building a real decentralized ecosystem, powered by mining and community contributions. It's not all hype, this is a sustained project with real infrastructure. And let's be honest, in the world of crypto, that's pretty rare. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering, what does this mean for the future of PiCoin? It means that PiCoin has the potential to surpass big players like Tron, Dogecoin, Cardano, and even Solana. And with all the momentum it's gathering, it could leave these altcoins in the dust once the altcoin season hits. Look, I'm not just talking about a 10x or 100x potential here. I'm talking about a 1000x or more as the market matures. PiCoin's community-driven growth means that it can withstand market fluctuations and keep pushing forward. And with upcoming developments and strategic partnerships on the horizon, it's hard to ignore how big this could get. Imagine PiCoin getting listed on exchanges. That's going to trigger a massive influx of investment. If we even see $50 to $100 billion valuation, that's a 5 to 10x return for those who believe in Pi's mission. But here's the real kicker. As the ecosystem grows, it could completely disrupt the crypto market. Now, I know this may sound wild, but I genuinely believe PiCoin could be the next big thing in crypto. But here's the thing. Most people still don't fully understand it. And that's why I'm here to make sure you're ahead of the curve. PiCoin isn't just another flash in the pan crypto. It's got staying power, and with the community, the momentum, and the upcoming catalysts, this could be a coin that not only survives but thrives. And if you're in it for the long haul, you could be looking at massive gains. So, what are you waiting for? If you're a believer in the future of PiCoin and you see the massive potential it holds, now is the time to get involved. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you in on PiCoin? Or are you still skeptical? Let's chat. And hey, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exclusive updates and insights on this exciting journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, this is not financial advice, just a crypto enthusiast sharing his perspective. Catch you guys in the next one.